If you see him in the street, walking by himself, talking to himself, have pity. You knock me out, I fall apart. Look at where we are. Look at where we started. I know I don't deserve you, but hear me out, that would be enough. If I could spare his life, if I could trade his life for mine, he'd be standing here right now. He would smile, that would be enough. Do you like it uptown? It's quiet uptown. They're standing in a garden, standing there side by side. She takes his hand. It's quiet uptown. Forgiveness. Can you imagine? Forgiveness. Can you imagine? No. Look around, look around. They're going through the unimaginable.